Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about shapes and colors. Red circle, yellow hexagon, blue square, green triangle, red square, red hexagon, blue circle, blue hexagon, yellow circle, yellow triangle, blue triangle, green hexagon, green circle, red triangle, green square, yellow square, red, yellow, blue, green, yellow, red, red, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, green, red, green, green. Circle, hexagon, square, triangle, triangle, square, hexagon, circle, square, circle, triangle, hexagon, hexagon, triangle, circle, square. Thanks for watching.